What's up next? Is it not like super late for you? Okay, wait. What do you mean by that? Like super late? I don't know. Seems pretty normal. No, it's only 2:37. What are you talking about? Why are you acting so weird? Hey, how's it going? Day 15. We've made it more than halfway. I'm already impressed. If we don't finish now, it's going to be a tragedy, right? Like we have to persevere. Hey, Shreyas, Java, how's everybody doing? Hope you're having a good day. Where are all of you that you're awake at this hour? Java, I think you're in, I want to say Germany or around that area. Belgium. Yeah, okay. England? Yeah, I know where you are, Nix. 11:38 a.m.? It's got to be. There's no way it's p.m. Same flag colors? Yeah. Still sad that Warren didn't give me a sub. Day 15. Watch and reload. P1. Oh, all right. I got game dev itches after 2 weeks of not touching any code. I feel that. I'm starting to regret doing Advent of Code because it's such a grind. Did you see Thor Pirates Offer broke the hype train record? I did see that on Twitter. That's insane. I don't like. I mean, it's just it's hard to comprehend, right? Like he's huge. Alka, wait, you were still alive? I thought you went to bed. Thank you for the raid. Were you waiting for me to go live so you could raid me? Now he's at 6 to 7K. Yes. Yesterday I continued fishing after your stream ended, apparently. Happens. Alright, should we take a look at this problem? First we check whether or not anybody's finished it. Okay, we've got people who have finished it. This is good. This is reassuring. Offline fishing is the weirdest kind of... Oh, are you trying to get the leaderboard? Hold on. Maybe I should run the fish bot and a Docker container on my VPS forever. Please don't. Then it's just spam. Thank you. All right, let's just get into it. Day 15. Lens library. The newly focused parabolic reflector dish is sending all of the collected light to a point on the side of yet another mountain, the largest mountain on Lava Island. As you approach the mountain, you find the light is being collected by the wall of a large facility embedded in the mountainside. You find a door under a large sign that says Lava Production Facility, and next to a smaller sign that says Danger. Personal protective equipment required beyond this point. Uh-oh. As you step inside, you are immediately greeted by a somewhat panicked reindeer wearing goggles and a loose-fitting hard hat. The reindeer leads you to a shelf of goggles and hard hats. You quickly find some that fit, and then further into the facility. At one point, you pass a button with a faint snout mark and the label Push for Help. No wonder you were loaded into that trebuchet so quickly. Is it just me, or are these descriptions like getting longer every time? You pass through a final set of doors surrounded with even more warning signs and into what must be the room that collects all of the light from outside. As you admire the large assortment of lenses available to further focus the light, the reindeer brings you a book titled Initialization Manual. Oh no. Hello, the book cheerfully begins, apparently unaware of the concerned reindeer reading over your shoulder. This procedure will let you bring the lava production facility online, all without burning or melting anything unintended. Before you begin, please be prepared to use the Holiday ASCII String Helper algorithm, Appendix 1A. You turn to Appendix 1A. Reindeer leans closer with interest. The hash algorithm is a way to turn any string of characters into a single number in the range of 0 to 255. To run the hash algorithm on a string, start with a current value of 0. Then, for each character in the string, starting from the beginning, determine the ASCII code, increase the current value by the ASCII code, set the current value to itself multiplied by 17, set the current value to the remainder of dividing itself by 256. After following these steps for each character in the string in order, the current value is the output of the hash algorithm. Okay, yeah, this is unnecessary. So the result of running the hash algorithm on the string hash is 52. The initialization sequence is a comma-separated list of steps to start the lava production facility. Ignore new line characters when parsing the initialization sequence. To verify that your hash algorithm is working, the book offers the sum of the result of running the hash algorithm on each step of the initialization sequence. Oh boy. So what are we... the reindeer has stolen the page containing the expected verification number. Is currently running around the facility with it excitedly. Classic. So we just have to hash all of these different strings. And then add them together. How big is our input? It's not too bad. Why is the lore so long? Well, you can skip the lore, but it's just fun. No, the answer is 1320. See, here's what you need to do. Boom, solved. Ask ChatGPT to summarize the lore for you. No. Yeah. How do I, oh, wait, no, hold on. We got to do it for this one. Okay. Let's try it. Wait, what happened? Did that work? Is this just one long line? Hold on. Let me just verify. Yeah, it's one long line. But that says I don't think it fully pasted. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, we're having problems. I don't think it's fine. It's not. I am in insert mode. What is happening? Okay, hold on. No, that's not right. I think Windows Terminal just not working. Oh my god. Yo, how's it going? Okay, we have a problem. How are we gonna get this file to the place that it needs to be? Okay. Let me see if I can get my cookie. We're gonna attempt to do a curl. It is a single line. We're just not able to copy paste the whole thing. This is the first time this has happened. Hmm. Seems like you're going through it right now. No, we're good. Let's see. I just need to grab. If I copy this as a curl, what is that giving me? Oh, that'll work. Okay. Hold on, I just need to do this over here. Let's make a new file. AOC. And then if we copy. We need H cookie. Shit. Cookie session equals cat AOC. Okay, that works. Sick. So we can do this into input.txt. Much better. Let's turn our watch and reload back on. Still says 1320. Not quite right, but what can you do? Do people like hide and seek games these days? What does that mean? So I think for this one, what we're gonna do is, whoa, why is that capital? While read, d comma, stir, do file. Is that right? Yeah. Okay, so these are the things we need to hash. Like a rock on the map is your target. Rock actually moves places and hides. Oh yeah, I'm way behind. Yeah, I mean prop hunt's cool. I don't know. Okay. How do we hash the thingy? Oh, I can't use hash because it's a built-in function. So I had to improvise. Determine the ASCII code for the current character. How do I do that? It's a great question. Bash get ASCII code. Ooh, printf. That's smart. No, we're not. We're not shelling to Python. That's smart. Len equals 1 for I less than 0, I equals 0, I less than len, I plus plus, do, done, not $1, we're gonna print char equals, oh wait, what? Is that what they meant to do? Oh, okay, I don't even understand that syntax, but that's cool. Hey, how's it going, spoof? Char equals 1, I1. Thank you for the raid. How's your stream? Oh boy, that's a lot of numbers. All good? You liked today's problem? Got loads done. That's awesome. We have a lot of numbers. We need to do something with these numbers. I already forgot what we have to do with the numbers. You have to go eat. All right, thank you for the raid. I appreciate it. Welcome in everybody. We're doing Advent of Code. We're on day 15 and we're doing it in Bash because we make poor decisions here, and you know, if I say I'm going to do something, I'm going to stick to it till the end. So yikes. Currently we need to do some sort of hash function on a bunch of strings and then add up all the results. So all of this is pretty simple. Bash is, what do you mean Bash is not a language? Oh, it's a lifestyle. Okay, yeah, true. You have me going for a second. Add, okay. So we got local total. It's a markup language? I don't think that's right. Maybe it is. Total plus equals add. The remainder, okay. We total, we multiply by 17. We modulo by 256. Is SQL a markup language? No, it's a query language. Oh, that's not the right answer. Okay. Increase the current value by the ASCII code you just determined. Set the current value to itself multiplied by 17. Huh. Uh-huh. Hold on. Let's look at those ASCII codes again. Huh. Syntax error. What have I done? Can we build a web server in SQL, please? I mean, yeah, you're welcome to do whatever you want, I suppose. What happened here? Oh. Okay. I see. Okay. 0 doesn't have an ASCII code. That seems... Oh, no, that's this. Okay, C is... Wait a minute. First character is H? Wait, why is the first... Oh, we're running it on the string hash. Wait, what is this? Wait. Oh, this is a different example for running it on hash? Okay. Stand by it. Hash. Oh, because there's nothing... Oh, could this be why we're having problems? We're not reading the final... Interesting. 72... What's the total supposed to be? Get rid of this. This. 52? Yeah. Okay. Well, in that case, let's do, let's do this, but then let's add a comma at the end. Does that fix it? No, that doesn't change it. Interesting. Hilariously inefficient. Yeah, it really is. Echo 1. PC6. What the heck? Why is it not getting this last one? No matter what I do. Oh, it's not rerunning when I add the... Okay. Fine. We're gonna do the same thing on this one. Comma. Okay, now we're getting the right number. I was having a good time here, but this dude with Java in his name is talking trash. All right, let it cook. It's cooking. Thank you for the follow. Okay, that took a while to cook, which is concerning for part 2, whatever it may be. But at least we got our star. You'll love to see a gold star. What could part 2 possibly be? You convince the reindeer to bring you the page. The page confirms your hash algorithm is working. The book goes on to describe a series of 256 boxes, numbered 0 through 255. The boxes are arranged in a line starting from the point where the light enters the facility. The boxes have holes that allow the light to pass from one box to the next all the way down the line. Inside each box, there are several lens slots that will keep a lens correctly positioned to focus light passing through the box. The sides of each box has a panel that opens to allow you to insert or remove lenses as necessary. Oh dear. Along the wall running parallel to the boxes is a large library containing lenses organized by focal length, ranging from 1 through 9. The ranger also brings you a small handheld label printer. The book goes on to explain how to perform each step in the initialization sequence, a process it calls the Holiday ASCII String Helper Manual Arrangement Procedure, or HashMap for short. I wonder if this is a hint. Each step begins with a sequence of letters that indicate the label of the lens on which the step operates. The result of running the hash algorithm on the label indicates the correct box for that step. The label will be immediately followed by a character that indicates the operation to perform, either an equal sign or a dash. Hey, how's it going, Maniac? If the operation character is a dash, go to the relevant box and remove the lens with the given label if it is present in the box. Then move any remaining lenses as far forward in the box as they can go without changing their order. Oh, filling any space made by removing the indicated lens. How long did part 1 take to run? A concerningly long time. Yeah, I finished part 1. It listen, it takes about 7 seconds. It's at least part 2 doesn't require more hashes. Okay, that's good. Yeah, we're still hashing. So we got 7 seconds and then plus some. Because the hashes tell us each step begins with a sequence of letters that indicates the label Right. How's it taking 7 seconds? Because subshells are expensive. Yeah. We can make it a little quicker if we combined all these together. Total equals what? Total plus add times 17 mod 256. But it's still not going to be blazingly fast. It's still going to be pretty slow. Yeah, about exactly the same. If we could come up with a way to get the ASCII code without... Does star bind tighter than percent? No, but it's just order of operations. Percent is seem like PEMDAS rating as a star. 4K items in the input text. This might go faster if we did a, let's see. Let's try a while read. If char let's do this way. Might help. Oh, I didn't do that right. Hold on. Oh, we don't need len anymore. I'm always wary of order of operations. Refollows don't get notifications? No. It's still the same. You just split the function and use GNU parallel. We did that for one of the days. But I don't think it's necessary when we're at 7 seconds. But what are we doing here? Okay, here's the context, the contents of every box after each step. So we've got Rn equals 1. So equals means it'll be followed by a number indicating the focal length. There's so many steps here. After Rn equals 1, then box 0 has Rn1. CM dash would remove it if it's in the box, but it's not. Okay, so this one goes in box 1. Why does it go in box 1? Is it because the hash tells us which box it goes in, right? Right. So Rn1, QP3. And the boxes are ordered, right? Seems like it. Feels like 30% of AOC is how well can you follow convoluted instructions for a simple thing? Yeah. Have you seen this algorithm that lets you run E1, E20 calculations instantly? To confirm that all of the lenses are installed correctly, add up the focusing power of all the lenses. The focusing power is a result of multiplying together 1 plus the box number of the lens in question, the slot number of the lens within the box, the focal length of the lens. I feel like this one is just follow the instructions. Like, even if you have a really slow implementation, like it's still gonna run in some amount of time, right? This one is gonna be a challenge though, because we don't listen. Bash is not known for its arrays. I wonder if using a string is going to be easier for each box. God. Because I don't know. Okay, like bash array slice. You can't really, like. Oh, I guess you can put it in a new array that. How else could we store this? Each step begins with a sequence of letters. Indicate the label. Python? I don't think that would fit our requirements. Okay. So I guess step 1, file system. If we can use the file system for the boxes, I'm sure that'll go great. I mean, there's only what? There's only 255 boxes. We could do that. There's no world where using the file system is faster than doing it in memory. Unless we use TempFS, maybe. We could do that. That is possible. I actually kind of like that idea. Use creation date to keep track of the insertion order? Wait a minute. What? Hold on. I need to like go through this one more time. Filling any space made by removing the indicated lens. Yeah, so the boxes themselves don't move, right? I don't think so. So this is removal. When do we, if it's an equal sign, it will be followed by a number indicating the focal length. Okay. If there's already a lens in the box with the same label, replace the old lens with the new lens. Why on earth would I do that? That's so many files. All right, here, I'll show you how we do this with the file system. You can trust me. I'm the bash expert here. This problem is legit about the reading comprehension. Yeah. So this worked. Let's go ahead and well wait, let me just make sure. Yeah, we didn't break it. We made those changes. Part 1. Okay. Oh boy, you really want to do it this way? Sure. Make dir temp boxes, or let's call this like day 15 or something. Uh Great. Result of running the hash algorithm on the label. So the label is only the first 2 characters. So we just do one read. Oh, but we still need to go through the characters individually. We can just do this. Okay. That should hash our labels, I think. And we can cache these. Not that we really need to, but labels. Yeah, let's not bother. What's the point? Runs pretty fast. Let's change this to hash label.
Fatality.
Ooh, nice. And let's just return it through the variable. It's past 6 a.m. I gotta go eat. All right, have a good night. Thank you. We can switch to sample for this. Okay. So we can get our okay. So if our string, let's see. What are these called? Operation. Operation equals stir to 1. Huh? Why is there only one? What? How's there only one? What is happening? Wait, what? Oopsie. That'll happen. That will happen. Okay. These are our operations. What's the next thing? Focal length. If operation is an equal sign, then focal length. How did it change this string even though the echo? Because this was reading from standard in, and so it was fucking up the read loop. Yeah, yeah. Echo focal length. Okay, so we have a focal length for each of our equal sign operations. I'm happy with that. And so the box is based on the hash. So we can say box equals total. How are we adding everything up? Okay. We're going to... We're going to touch temp. Oh, let's make this a... This isn't a thing, right? No. Dir equals temp day 15. Okay. We got 3 files, 0, 1, and 3. So if it's an equals sign, well, yeah, let's do the equals sign first. Add the lens to the box immediately behind any lenses already in the box. Okay. So if we actually, you know what'll even make this easier? Is if we just cd to dir. Well, right. That complicates things. There we go. Okie dokie. So what are we putting in the box? We're putting in, it's literally just like the label and the focal length. Label, focal length into the box. But if it's already in the box, we need to replace it. So if if we find a line that starts with the label in the box, we do something different. We do a sed -i s label We have to change this to... we can just drop out here. Label. It's going to get replaced with first thing. And then... oh, shoot. Haha. How do we... Let's do this. Focal length? No input files. Yeah, you're right. Box. Okay, these are our boxes. Now we need to handle the dash. Set delete matching lines. I forget how to do this exactly. I know it's D. Okay, it's just search term /D. If it is a dash, then we search for the label. We delete it. Okay. Is that it? We just do that? But then we have to do some like crazy focusing power thing. Okay, it's 1 plus the box number of the lens in question. The slot number of the lens within the box. Okay, this is gonna get interesting. So we don't care about the label anymore. Hmm. Is there a way to do line number? Line. I'll put line prefix control N. So we can do a grep -n temp day 15 star. What does N do? It adds the line number. How else can we make this better? No. Oh. I think these are the numbers we need to multiply together. The only thing is that it's the box plus 1. Well, we can just fix that here. So we just do grep no this 0 to 9. Let's try this on sample. Okay. TR colon to a star. Paste SD plus BC. 145? Yeah, 145. You already know. Let it cook. Hey. It's not the right answer. It's too low. Okay. Huh. We're doing Advent of Code. Okay, I must have misunderstood one of these directions. Have I looked at the real input? I have not. I see that these are more than 2 characters. Did it literally not say? Oh, no, it just says a sequence of letters. Okay. Okay, fine. Fine. Yeah, it is, right? Oh, why did I unroll this loop? Hold on. Take me back to P1. Label equals parameter expansion every time. One day I'll remember these. Longest match, shortest match from end of string. Yeah, so we can do 1% dash star label equals star. Should get rid of all of our garbage. All right, let's try that again. Let's change this to dot. Wait, was my other answer too low? I thought my other answer was too low. This is even lower. What? Something's not right here. We don't have, there's no labels in here. What happened?
Fatality.
Is it because we made label local? There we go. That looks better. Why are these still all 2 characters? Hold on. I don't trust my own code here. Something's fishy. I don't trust this. We're getting lots of longer labels. Oh. Yeah, hold on. We do need to look for explicitly a space. Otherwise, we're going to match substrings of labels, and that's no good. There we go. That looks like a bigger number. Still too low. Interesting. Our boxes still only have ones with 2 characters, which is suspicious as heck. Yeah. Something's funky. Oh, wait. My operation is pulling. It's. Yeah. Nah. Hold on. I forgot to change that. Hmm. Yeah, now we're cooking. Now using NixOS, I always hope people will use uservin and bash. Yeah, I do that sometimes, but like on my machine it doesn't matter, so I don't really care that much. Now we're too high. Oh, we're gonna get in trouble if we keep guessing at this rate. Okay, this is too big. Uh, that's a good question. Still getting 145. I'm sure there's somewhere else that I'm making like a dumb assumption. Right here. Yeah. We're just full of dumb assumptions in this code. Uh, I I really should have looked at the input text before I assumed that it was 2 characters. But I swear I thought I read. I know for sure I read that the lenses are only 0 to 9. That is the same number. Well, that's interesting. Huh. Hey, how's it going? Okay, hold on. So what is this example doing? We're saying rn equals 1. So I should be able to change this to be like what? Rn dash. Oh, hold on. I need to run this on sample.txt. Okay, interesting. Rn dash didn't remove it from the box. Why didn't that remove it from the box? Does this not match? Dot star dash. Or does this not match? What is this backslash? I am a fool. Yeah, I guess this isn't a very thorough test case. Wait, QP worked? Oh yeah, QP equals 3. All right, this is the one. I'm feeling this one. It's going to be like a nice 200k flat, in fact. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, this feels nice. This feels right. Let's go. You can just feel it. You can feel it when the answer is right. Something about it just, you're looking at that, you're like 244403. That seems like a right answer. Meanwhile, like 386637, not really. It just doesn't have that ring to it, you know? Oh, so many fish. Oh, the turtle takes it over. Whoa. Wait, this fish is tanky. What? Your fish is OP. My goodness. Yeah, just critting every time. Just no variability, just straight consistency. This is a good fish. I could see this fish going far. Hacking. This does take forever to run. We do a little temp FS action. Didn't last long. It was good while it lasted. Short and sweet. I had 2 fish I thought would go far today, but both fatality'd off the board with less than 10 wins. Oof. Scott B taking over. Oh, that crit did nothing. My crits only do 2. Oh, this fish is the worst. We got another consistent 7 fish here. Oh, just kidding. There's a 6. I want to see the boot. Hold up, that ain't a fish. Oh, the boot's winning. Kick that fish. No, it's an old boot. If we get a boot in the Hall of Fame, that would be crazy. Oh no. All right. Tragic. All right, I'm gonna call it an early stream today because I'm like super behind on editing these videos and I need to catch up. That was a nice easy problem. Felt good. Can't fall behind. $30 stars. All right. 20 to go. We could do this. We can save Christmas. Oh, gosh. Anyone doing Advent of Code? This one's not English, right?
Into what must be the room that collects
Or is this English?
Bei Rüsselabdruck habe ich an was anderes gedacht. Wir sprechen
Okay, no, I don't think it's primarily English. That doesn't look like English. Captain Coder? That bad cop person's doing Advent of Code? We could raid there. Wait, what did I just see? Hold on. Advent of Code Day 15 on Commodore 64? Alright, this is where we're going. That's sick. Alright, have a good night, everybody. Yes, very pog.